What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Simone. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be trying 5 different items that I had bought from the TikTok shop, and I think most of these items had went viral at some point, and I saw a lot of people doing like different videos and reviews, so I wanted to test it out for myself and show you guys what I got and also what it looks like. But before we get started, if you're new here, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button, see some more fashion content. After this video, I actually have another like winter haul, and in that video I have stuff from like Shein and Fashion Nova and maybe one more place. So if you want to see that, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button to see more and to see when I drop that video. And without further ado, let's just get on right into it. So starting off with the first item, I have this jacket here. This is more like a kind of like activewear jacket, but I saw a lot of people were going crazy on it and they named it the BBL jacket because it's supposed to give you that snatched look on the side and just all the way around, especially if like you wear some shorts. So they had these in a bunch of different colors, and when I had actually first got this, it was actually on a sale. So it was originally $10.09, and then I had bought this for $5.05, and I really think it's very cute. I love the material on this. It kind of got that spandex feel, but it's just very comfortable and very kind of soft, and it definitely, I think, does snatch you up in all the right places. It also have these little like thumb hole that you can put your thumb through. Very cute and comfy. I got this in a size small, and I really like this jacket. I think it definitely looks just like the pictures in the video. Like I said, definitely very comfortable for working out, so I can see myself doing it when I work out, or maybe if you wanted to like wear something really comfortable to run an errand real quick. Then I think on a scale of 1 through 10, I think I would definitely give this jacket probably, I think I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Like I said, it's very cute, and I would definitely get some more colors in there. Alright, y'all, so this is item number 2. So this is pretty much like a jumpsuit. I'm sure you guys probably have seen this jumpsuit. So it's pretty much like a very tight-fitting jumpsuit. It's flare at the bottom, and then they also got this like ruche on the butt. A little bit of the back is out as well. This item actually came really fast. It came right before everything else on its own, and I had paid $35.99 for it. So this was definitely the highest thing that I bought, but it is so comfortable. So I also think that this one was worth the hype as well. And then I'll also be sure to put like a full body video on the side so you guys can see like the whole thing. The material definitely remind me of the jacket. I wouldn't say for the thickness too, a little thicker actually, but the material and everything else feels literally the same. And I had also got this in a size small, and I feel like this actually has the perfect fit. I would say if you still want more like a looser fit, you probably could size up and you'll be okay. And I feel like with this too, you can also wear it for multiple reasons or multiple occasions, or like to run some errands. I could definitely see myself wearing this with like a jean jacket over it, or you can also wear this maybe like some sneakers or something on the bottom. So this was definitely probably either a workout or like a run errands outfit. But yes, I really love it. I would say this would definitely get a 10 out of 10 for me as well. I definitely have my doubts about some of the stuff from the TikTok shop, but so far everything really has been so good. I mean, I had tried this on literally when it first came because I was very curious to see about the quality, and it definitely lives up to the hype, so I'm definitely proud about that. Alright, so now we're moving on to outfit number 3. And yeah, so this is actually a 3-piece sweatsuit. So it came with a top, it's like a zip-up hoodie. It also came with like a little like sweat tank top underneath, and then of course it also came with some sweatpants. So when I had got this, it was $28.39, but right now they actually have a sale. So hopefully if I can put this video up fast enough, maybe you guys can go catch that sale. But anyway, moving forward though, I had got this in a size small, and this is very comfortable. I've been wanting like a nice another pair, like a full sweatsuit, and I haven't got one in a while. Fashion Nova actually has some great ones too. This one for the price is very thick, and I'm surprised that it came with 3 pieces for only $30. Like, that is definitely a steal. And I love like the tank top that it came with. I feel like this is so different. A lot of people, you know, they usually just obviously have the jacket and the sweatpants, but they never have like a top to go underneath. Dress this up for surely. So what I would do, I probably would just wear some kind of maybe like a pair of my Dunk. You can add a pop of color in this, or you could probably just wear like some regular white, gray, even like some metallic silver. I really want some sneakers with some kind of like metallic silver. I think I did see some by Nike or New Balance, one of those. And I might have to get another one since it's like they near more than 50% off now. This so far is probably my favorite just because of the quality. Like I said, I would give it a 100 out of 10. Alright y'all, for the next item I have a black halter top dress that has a little bit of the back out. Now this is another cute dress that I got for a very low price. So I had got this dress for $5.35 and the original price was $10.69, and actually it still is $5. So this dress is very cute. I feel like it's definitely probably more dressy in a sense, and it does have like a little slit, and it does kind of have that asymmetrical look, which you guys will see on the side in the video. I would say the quality is pretty cool. It doesn't feel like hecka cheap, but it's not like super duper thick either. But I do love the overall look of it. I feel like it's like, you know, dressy, not too casual, but simple, but not too glamorous. So this is probably good if you want to go like a dinner date. And for the material of this dress, it is definitely probably more like spandex too. It's actually very stretchy, and it has a lot of room. So yeah, I really like this dress. I got it in a size small. This would definitely go good with like some kind of black heels and black and gold accessories, and that's definitely how I would style it too. So at the rating, it definitely looks just like the picture, but at the rating, I think I would give it, I think I would definitely give it probably like a 8 out of 10. I do wish it was just a little bit thicker, but it was $5, so you definitely get what you pay for. Alright y'all, so this is the last dress that I have. So this one is definitely more casual than the last one I just showed you guys. So it definitely has like a rib material, cotton, and then on the back it also has like 2 little ties, one going like kind of mid back and then one kind of like a halter, and you actually don't have to like tie it up here. I've seen some people, they tie both the string together, so they would tie this bottom one to the top one and then make it seem more like a cami rather than a halter. So it's definitely versatile in that way. You can tie it however you want. And then I had got this dress for $5.95, but it was originally $11.89. And at the moment they only have this dress in black and gold. Yeah, so I definitely do like this dress because I definitely been wanting like some more casual black dresses, and this is a maxi dress, which you guys will see on the side of the video. But yeah, it's definitely just casual, cute. You probably could dress it up a little bit, but this is definitely not like a formal or dressy dress, if that makes sense. It's actually very comfortable too. It's very soft on the skin, and it's actually not too tight. Pretty much all I can say about it. I had got this one in a size small, and this is a perfect fit. My overall rating for this dress, I think I would give it a 9 out of 10. Alright y'all, so that is pretty much all the items that I got from the TikTok shop. So be sure to let me know in the comment which item was you guys' favorite, and also be sure to comment too if you guys have ordered anything from the TikTok shop, and if so, was it what you expected, or let me know what your thoughts was below on the whole experience. And so overall, I would definitely get some more stuff from the TikTok shop. I actually have a couple more things that I already want to purchase, but they have these like little like eyelash clusters, so you could do like your own lash extension, and I definitely do want to learn how to do that on my own. And then they also have this one dress, the company is like Reoria or something like that. I see that all the time up and down my For You page, so I definitely want to get it, but I'm trying to wait till they restock a color I wanted. It's the hot pink one that I want, but it's been out of stock for like a couple weeks, so maybe for Valentine's Day they might just, you know, restock it. That's what I'm hoping for, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get that too. So like I said, my overall experience was very positive, and it definitely exceeded beyond my expectation. Like I was not expecting all the quality of the stuff to be so good. I was not with it, but then I was like, let me just get a couple things that I do like and just make a little review for y'all. Some of y'all might have like the same mindset that I had, like, okay, this is probably more scammy, or you're kind of skeptical about it like I was. But yeah, I went ahead and did it, bought all the stuff with my own money. None of this is sponsored. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see another winter haul coming soon, or in a winter haul, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button to see some more. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed day, enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Anything